In case you need some encouragement before giving a presentation or recording a video, here's a tip for you to help you mentally prepare. Visualize yourself knocking it out of the park and doing an amazing job. Einstein is credited with saying that imagination is more important than knowledge, and I'd say he's a pretty smart guy, right? So even when it comes to Albert Einstein, or for you or for me, it just goes to show how powerful our minds are. And if we can visualize or we can manifest our success in our brains, then that's going to help us also execute and achieve success. So maybe it's a live presentation and you're imagining in the beginning you are nailing it and you're grabbing your audience's attention. They're laughing where they're supposed to. You feel nice and smooth and at ease. At the very end, they give you a standing ovation. Or maybe you're recording your video and you nail it on the very first try. And then after you get your video out there, your audience members are contacting you and letting you know they want to work with you. So use visualization for you when it comes to presenting and recording videos. It has helped me so much throughout my career. If you would like any more tips on getting on camera, be sure to check out the link in my bio to download my free video training, 5 Mistakes You Could Be Making on Camera. See you there.